1. Camels are large mammals known for their distinctive humps and long, sturdy legs. 2. There are two main species of camels, the dromedary camel, which has one hump, and the Bactrian camel, which has two humps. 3. Dromedary camels are native to the Middle East and North Africa, while Bactrian camels are native to Central Asia. 4. Camels are well adapted to desert environments, with features such as thick fur to protect against the sun and broad, padded feet to help them walk on sand. 5. The humps of camels are not actually filled with water, as is commonly believed. Instead, they store fat, which the camel can use as a source of energy when food is scarce. 6. Camels can go for long periods without drinking water, thanks to their ability to conserve moisture and rehydrate quickly when they do have access to water. 7. The eyelashes of camels are long and thick, helping to protect their eyes from sand and dust in the desert. 8. Camels have 3 sets of eyelids, one set for blinking, one set for keeping out sand, and one set for protecting their eyes during sandstorms. 9. Camels have a unique walking gait, moving both legs on one side of their body at the same time. This helps them navigate sandy terrain more easily. 10. Despite their size, camels are surprisingly fast runners and can reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour in short bursts. 11. Camels have a keen sense of smell, which helps them find food and detect predators in the desert. 12. In addition to their sense of smell, camels also have excellent hearing and can detect sounds from long distances. 13. Camels are herbivores and mainly eat grasses, grains, and desert plants. They can also consume thorny plants that other animals avoid. 14. Camels have a specialized digestive system that allows them to extract nutrients from tough, fibrous plants. They can also regurgitate and rechew their food to aid in digestion. 15. Camels have thick, leathery lips that help protect them from thorns and prickly plants while eating. 16. Female camels are called cows, while male camels are called bulls. Young camels are known as calves. 17. Camels have a gestation period of around 12 to 14 months, depending on the species. They typically give birth to one calf at a time. 18. Newborn camel calves are able to stand and walk within hours of birth, allowing them to keep up with their mother and the herd. 19. Female camels produce milk that is rich in fat and protein, which helps nourish their young in the harsh desert environment. 20. Camels are social animals and often live in herds led by a dominant male. 21. The social structure of camel herds is based on a hierarchy, with dominant individuals asserting their authority over subordinate ones. 22. Camels communicate with each other using a variety of vocalizations, including grunts, groans, and bellows. 23. Camels also use body language to communicate, including gestures such as stomping their feet or laying their ears back. 24. Camels have been domesticated by humans for thousands of years and are used for transportation, milk, meat, and wool. 25. The domestication of camels played a crucial role in the development of trade routes across the desert, such as the Silk Road and the Arabian Peninsula. 26. Camels have been bred for different purposes, leading to a variety of breeds with specialized traits, such as racing camels, milk-producing camels, and pack camels. 27. The average lifespan of a camel is around 40 to 50 years, although some individuals have been known to live much longer. 28. Camels have been depicted in art and literature for centuries and are often associated with the mystique and romance of the desert. 29. In addition to their cultural significance, camels are also important symbols in religious traditions, particularly in the Middle East. 30. Camels have played a significant role in the economies of many desert-dwelling cultures, providing transportation, food, and other essential resources. 31. The ancient Egyptians used camels for transportation and trade, as well as in religious ceremonies and rituals. 32. Camels were also used by ancient civilizations such as the Sumerians, Babylonians, and Persians for similar purposes. 33. The word camel is derived from the Arabic word jamal, which means beautiful or graceful. 34. Camels have been domesticated for so long that some wild populations have become feral, living in the wild without human intervention. 35. Wild camels are found in remote desert regions of Asia and Africa, where they roam freely and survive by grazing on sparse vegetation. 36. The wild Bactrian camel is critically endangered, with only a few hundred individuals remaining in the wild. 37. Efforts are underway to conserve wild camel populations and protect their natural habitats from human encroachment and environmental degradation. 38. Camels have a reputation for being stubborn and temperamental, but they are actually intelligent and sensitive animals. 39. Camels have a strong sense of self-preservation and will defend themselves aggressively if they feel threatened. 40. Despite their tough exterior, camels are capable of forming strong emotional bonds with humans and other animals. 41. Camels have been used in therapy programs for people with disabilities and mental health issues, providing comfort and companionship to those in need. 42. The saliva of camels has antibacterial properties and is sometimes used in traditional medicine to treat wounds and infections. 43. Camels are highly valued for their milk, which is nutritious and has a slightly sweet taste. Camel milk is also lower in lactose than cow's milk, making it easier to digest for people with lactose intolerance. 44. In some cultures, camel milk is considered a delicacy and is consumed fresh or fermented into products such as cheese and yogurt. 45. Camel meat is lean and rich in protein, making it a valuable source of nutrition in regions where other sources of protein are scarce. 46. Camel wool, known as camel hair, is prized for its softness and warmth and is used to make clothing, blankets, and other textiles. 47. The humps of camels are composed of fatty tissue, which provides insulation and energy storage for the animal. 48. The size and shape of a camel's hump can vary depending on factors such as age, health, and diet. 49. Camels can survive for weeks without food by metabolizing the fat stored in their humps and other tissues. 50. The dromedary camel is also known as the Arabian camel, as it is native to the Arabian Peninsula and surrounding regions. 51. The Bactrian camel is named after the historical region of Bactria, which encompassed parts of present-day Afghanistan, Uzbekistan, and Tajikistan. 52. Camels are well adapted to extreme temperatures and can withstand both extreme heat and cold. 53. During hot weather, camels can increase their body temperature to reduce water loss through sweating and panting. 54. Camels have thick fur coats that help insulate them from the cold and keep them warm during chilly desert nights. 55. Camels have long been associated with caravans, which are groups of travelers and merchants traveling together for safety and mutual support. 56. The Silk Road was a network of trade routes that connected Asia with Europe and Africa, traversing deserts and mountains and relying heavily on camels for transportation. 57. Camels are able to carry heavy loads over long distances, making them ideal pack animals for desert travel. 58. The saddle used for riding camels is called a camel saddle, or camel seat, and is designed to distribute weight evenly and provide comfort for both the rider and the animal. 59. Camels have a natural resistance to dehydration, which allows them to go for long periods without drinking water. 60. Camels can drink up to 40 gallons of water in a single sitting, replenishing their reserves and rehydrating their bodies. 61. The camel's ability to store fat in its humps allows it to go for extended periods without food, making it well suited to the harsh conditions of the desert. 62. Camels are highly valued by nomadic peoples for their ability to provide transportation, food, and other essential resources in remote and inhospitable environments.